it's me and Rocko. Just taping us. He's in a fun mood right now. I wanted to show you how he puts air in his air sac in his chest. Not all macaws know how to do that, but he does it as a sign of affection when he's with me. So what I like to do is I like to play with him and I go, and he does it back. So let's see if I can get him to do it. And see if you can hear it, because you can usually hear it. Why are you burping? He's burping. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's not what we're doing. We're not burping. Watch. Mama loves